Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Silver Game of Thrones it here. I pick up couple of these bad guys, mouse pads, and not really mouse pad. It's like a computer pad, so I really like it. I pick up two. It's a dragon collection. So how you like them? Put your comment, right? It's very cool dragons. One is red and another is blue. So, okay, I got some feedback that my lighting is bad. So I want to tell you, usually I do my videos, after work, like 5, 6 o'clock, and I'm from Chicago area. And Chicago area is, it's usually dark. That's why I have this trouble. So today is a weekend, so I try to make during the day. And I hope my lighting will be much better, I set my lighting well, my camera is on the best setting, so let's see what will happen. And if you still have some problem, let me know. So what is this piece? Last days, we guys see that, the good deal disappear, and I start to look at some areas where I am not, familiar with, and this is one of them. This kind of piece, this kind of, artistic piece, artistic or kind of a rare piece, which is a Monarch dragon, with Viking silver rounds kind of. And the Monarch precious metals offer exciting new silver round, it kind of I never see, they have this logo MPM, and I never watch them, I never see them like, that's nice, oak box, wood. And when I started looking to price, it was like $250. Not that I didn't pay taxes. I pay my taxes, because this is kind of not money. This kind of more like, like a fun piece, So, voila. That's a 10 ounce of silver. So let me move it close. Full screen. Tell me if the quality is okay, the quality is good. So I try my best setting, I try my best lighting this time, Last time I mess up. I know I mess up again because it was during, when a day was over. Man, that's a so nice piece. And when I see this piece in person, I was like, wow. For like $25, $26, per ounce for so attractive piece, I say I will get it. I will get it. Yeah, so what we see here, you see this is a piece of silver. I already checked it, it's very, convenient to take it out. The box is magnet box, you see? You see that they have this magnet, you see? So it's it just tied one another, very cool. And this piece is so cool, guys. So this observe depict a large fire-breathing dragon hovering above a crazy scene. Crazy scene. You see the dragon with open wheels, fighting with the fire. And the second part, it reverse showcases the reality of the situation as the dragon defends its eggs from raiders. Kind of Vikings, you see. And here you can see his eggs, and he fight with some raiders. Very cool piece. Look how thick this piece, It has some imperfection here, you see. It has some imperfection, but I checked it, valid silver. It has this antique, design, and there is some border, very interesting border on the sides. And it's a huge, guys. It's really huge. Look on my hand, 10 ounce. And the wall design, how it is set up. I just like it. It's an excellent present to someone you love, like around $250. What can be better? And I check it out on GM Bullion. They still have 6 pieces, guys. I don't know, 5 or 6 pieces left. So I am thinking I probably will buy a couple more you know, just to flip probably, or maybe, you know, or maybe even for, you know, presents, you know, if I have some, I don't know, some very good friends, you know, with the best birthday, or, you know, on some, you know, memorized days where I need to go and give some good presents. So yeah, very cool, very cool. Very cool piece, guys, and just check it out. It's on GM Bullion, and they have only 5 pieces left, right? Okay, this was I wanted to share with you guys. And again, look it close. Look it close. This is Monarch precious metals. I don't know if they have mint. It's all handmade, guys. It's all handmade. Yeah, very cool piece. Very cool piece. And I like dragons, you know. This one is correlated with another one, yeah. Okay, guys, enjoy 5 minutes short show. Let me know how is lighting. I think lighting is much better today. And overall, this is how I like my setup. Okay, guys, bye-bye. Keep watching, consent for sharing, and kudos to new subscriber which signed to my channel. Bye-bye.